Let's set up partitions for strategic portfolio management tables, giving organizations precise control over record visibility across functions. First, we navigate to All and search for partitions under the Enterprise-Wide Deployment module. We select New on the Partitions list. On the form, enter the label for the partition. For example, enter IT Ops. Then we select the lookup icon to assign a partition role. Search for and select the role you want to assign. For example, IT Ops. Then we select Save to save. A record for each supported table is auto-generated without partition criteria. From the list of partitioned tables, we select the PM_program record to configure its partition criteria. In the partition criteria field, we select a field from the drop-down. For example, Department. Since Department is now set as the criteria for the program table, all future partitions on this table must use Department as their partition criteria. We select a department value to assign to this partition, for example, IT Ops. Finally, we select Update to save the configuration. Similarly, you can configure partition criteria for the demand, portfolio, and project tables as needed.